Morning to one and all. Myself P. Shashwini. I am studying 8th class. Today I want to tell about pronouns. A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. For example, MS Dhoni is a great cricketer. He plays well. In all situations, we can't use noun. In the place of noun, we are using pronoun. Note: a pronoun is used to avoid the repetition of noun. See here, MS Dhoni is a noun, pronoun is he. Suppose here girl comes, we use she. Pronoun are 10 types. Pronoun. Today I would like to tell about subject to case pronoun. Starting pronouns are called subject to case pronoun. For examples, examples are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Example for I is example of I is I am a girl. Example for he is example for he is a good boy. So this is the subject case pronouns.
Good morning to everyone. I am Jansi from 8th class. Today I am going to tell about object case pronoun. Ending pronouns of the sentence is called object case pronouns. It includes me, us, them, her. He was kicked by me. She was kicked by her. Here, me and her is the object case pronoun because it is the ending pronoun of the sentence. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Lakshmi Priya from 8th class. Today I am going to tell about demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point out the objects to which they refers. There are some clue words to identify these pronouns. Clue words are this, those, that. Examples: this is a mobile phone. Here, this pronoun is point outing these objects. So, these pronouns are called demonstrative pronouns.
This, that singular.
This, that singular, this, those, plural.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Divya. I am studying 8th class. Today I am going to explain about interrogative pronouns. Pronouns which is used for asking questions is called interrogative pronouns. The pronouns which is used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. There are some clue words to identify these interrogative pronouns. What? ఏమిటి? Where? ఎక్కడ? When? ఎప్పుడు? Which? ఏది? Who? ఎవరు? Why?
ఎందుకు.
So these are the list for the interrogative pronouns. There are some examples for this list.
What is your name?
So I hope you all understand the interrogative pronouns. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is G. Sausanya. I am studying 8th class. I am going to tell about relative pronoun. A noun to a group of words that follow. Clue words. Clue words. Who, whom, that. For examples, the boy who won the first prize is my brother, who is a relative pronoun. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Tiashrita. I am from 8th class. Today I would like to say about reciprocal pronoun. List. Each other, other, another. Example, the list for reciprocal pronoun. Example, Radha and Krishna loves each other. Thank you, Ankit.
Good morning to one and all. I am Chandni from 8th class. Today I would like to say about distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun is always singular, and as such it should be followed by singular noun and verb. List. These are the list for distributive pronoun. It is the structure of distributive pronoun. Thank you. In this sentence, each is the distributive pronoun.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Navidipti. I am studying 8th class. Today I would like to tell about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun. Pronoun like myself or yourself. You are of an action. Pronoun like myself, ourself, yourself, which are the receiver of an action, is called reflexive pronoun. Examples of reflexive pronoun. Himself. Examples of list. I hope you understand the reflexive pronoun.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Tanuja. I am studying 8th class. Going to tell about indefinite pronoun. There are some clue words from indefinite pronoun. Everybody, nobody, someone, everyone. So these are indefinite pronoun clue words. For examples, everybody likes me. I hope you understand this indefinite pronoun.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Asaswini. I am from 8th class. Today, I am going to tell about possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. It shows the possessiveness. These are the lists for possessive pronouns. Examples. Mine is a possessive pronoun. This is the list for possessive pronoun. Thank you.
Hope you understand. So total pronouns, total 10 types of pronouns my students explained. So in that, first pronoun, subject case pronoun. Subject case pronouns means sentence starting pronouns. These pronouns are useful for tenses. So subject case pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So I am a boy, he is a boy, she is a girl. So see, in the sentence these pronouns are come in a first. So like that. Object case pronouns means passive voice pronouns. These pronouns comes in sentence ending. Sentence ending pronouns are object case pronouns. Example, me, us, them, her are object case pronouns. So next one, third one, distributive pronouns. So each, either, neither. So these all are distributive pronouns list. Each, after, either, after, neither, after, of will come, then after, noun will come. So this type of structure will come only. We should consider as a distributive pronoun. Next, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns means list this, that, these, those. This, that useful for singular purpose. These, those useful for plural purpose. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means asking questions. So question framing is called as interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means question words, why, what, when, how. These all are interrogative pronouns. Relative pronouns also same list will come. Same like interrogative pronouns like whose, their. But here relative pronouns come in the middle. So interrogative pronouns clue words come in a starting. So like that. Next one is what? Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns means myself, ourself, himself, herself. These all are reflexive pronouns. Next one, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns means each, other, one another. These all are reciprocal pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Next one is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means mine, ours, your, his, hers, theirs. These all are possessive pronouns. So our belongings, our possessiveness, it tells about possessive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns means somebody, nobody, everybody. These all are somebody, nobody, everybody, none. These all are comes under indefinite pronouns. Hope you understand the pronouns.
Yes,